In Infinite Craft, a popular sandbox game, making an infinite craft often refers to creating systems or mechanisms that allow you to produce an endless supply of resources, items, or materials without constantly gathering them. To achieve this, players typically build automated farms, resource generators, or reputable crafting setups. One way to create infinite crafting systems in the game is by utilizing resource generators like automated farms that grow crops or trees automatically. For example, setting up a simple automated crop farm where plants grow and are harvested by a machine can provide an endless supply of food or materials. Similarly, creating a tree farm with mechanisms to chop down and replant trees ensures a continuous supply of wood. Another method is to set up crafting stations connected to storage systems where materials are constantly refilled from nearby chests or dispensers. By designing a closed-looped system, resources can be automatically fed into crafting stations, allowing you to craft items indefinitely without manually collecting raw materials. Redstone mechanisms and automation play a crucial role in building these infinite systems. With the right combination of machines, resources, and creativity, players can create an environment where crafting becomes a never-ending process, making the game world more efficient and self-sustaining. Let me know if this helped.